everybody. How hard is it to clean brass fittings? Plumbing fittings? Not hard at all. I just stick them in the vise. Pair of channel locks. Now sometimes it could be a little bit difficult to get the pipe out of there, the copper. But these right here are not bent, so it just pulls right out. It's pretty easy. See? So you got some brass. And you got number 1 copper, no sweat. That device gets stuck. Don't do nothing right, so I do it my way. But hopefully, my way, I show somebody how to do something one day. Maybe somebody will need this advice without never being a booger. Anyway, if it gets stuck like that, I always take a plunger or something like that, sit it down flat. Where's my hammer? Yeah, I ain't got one. And just drive it out. Yeah, it ain't never gonna act right when you're on camera. Just hold it on there with your hand. Hit it. It don't take much. Well, that never being a pain in the butt. It's out. It just ain't wanting to come out. There it is. Anyway, there's another piece of brass. 2 pieces of brass for the bucket. That one there is bent. So what I'll do on that one is I'll raise this up to the top thread. I go get my chisel. I got a wood or a chisel for an air gun. Couldn't find it a while ago. Leave that in the vise. Just drop it down in there. Most time it'll come right out. If not, then do it the same way. Stick something over top of it. Drive it out. Some of them get stuck pretty good. There it is. It's all number, well, that's number 2 copper. All that'll be number 2 copper, and this here would be number 1. Well, don't know where that went. I missed the bucket though. It's all good. It's just on the floor. I'll get it here in a minute somewhere. That one there was bent too. So same way. Better if I could find my darn chisel. Can't find my chisel. There's something I use for a punch. Anyway, you just take and put it up on here. Drop it down in there. And take your channel locks. Take it the rest of the way loose. Well, it still won't come out. drive out. There it is. Another piece of number 1 cover. Another piece of brass. I did have a big chunk of brass in here a while ago. It was a shower head. So I broke that whole valve down and decided, well, I've got all this other stuff. Hell, I need to make a video. Because that was the least thing on my mind at the time. As all you guys know, I don't know if you could hear me on that last video or not. I got 4 cats. And 2 of them got sick on me. Well, one of them, he's fine. It was just a cyst or whatever. And the doctor didn't come right out. The doctor popped it. He told me, he said, it'll come back. He said, but just it don't hurt them, so just take something, sewing needle or whatever, and just pop it again, and it ain't gonna hurt him. But the other cat, I found out he was diabetic, so that medicine is gonna cost me a good bit of money every month. So I don't care. It's gonna keep my fur baby alive. That's all that matters to me. Hell, the doctor's visit today for them was over $300, or right at $300, I think, but with taxes and all. Taxes and credit card fees and all that crap. It costed me, but that's okay. I mean, it's my baby. I've had them for a lot of years, and I don't want to lose them. So anyway, I'm just out here bored in the building, stripping copper and doing a few other little things. I'm hoping I'll get some processing done probably tomorrow or next day. But if not, there's always another day. Always another day. Anyway, on that note, I thank every one of you for being here. You know, I'm on my road to 1,000 subscribers. I need 249 more. Thank you for the ones that's already here. I hope one day I'll be able to help somebody. But if not, just, hey, thank you anyway. Anyway, I love you guys. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.